This is a new wireless charger from Logitech. It's called Powered. It's designed with the iPhone in mind, and it works really great for your iPhone 10, 10s, iPhone 8, and the iPhone XS Max, which I have here. And one thing that's great about this wireless charger is you can use it while you're watching videos. It's also optimized for Face ID. Now, I've been using this both with the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10 and the XS Max. When I have a very large phone with a case on it, one thing I've found is it won't always charge when I have it in this mode if I have the XS Max. Now, if I take it out of the case, it will go to wireless charging when it goes into that mode. So it's more an issue with how thick the case might be that you're using. So here I'm now wirelessly charging, and I can do this both in portrait or in landscape. And one of the really cool parts about using this in the portrait orientation is the level of the angle here. So it's angled at about 65 degrees. So this is important because Face ID works best at an angle, and it's also very nice because if you have one of these devices, you can't use Touch ID, you can't use a phone that's laying flat, and Face ID just straight up does not work in landscape mode on the phone. So instead, we have it like this. You can tap on it, it'll wake it up, you can look at your phone and it'll unlock, it'll show you notifications, you can start a video call and do all that kinds of stuff. Now, the thing that drew me to this most was the ability to use it in landscape mode, because when do I need to charge most often? It's when I'm watching video on my phone, and with this I have that kind of flexibility. And it's also really nice if you're gonna use this in a bedroom, in a bedside setting where you might want to angle this towards you and watch some Netflix as you drift off to sleep, and you're gonna be able to leave your phone there and it's gonna charge. Now, there is a very small LED right on the top that lets you know if the device is charging. It's not gonna blast out a ton of light. That's one of the problems with a lot of wireless chargers. They go overboard on letting you know that your phone is charging when your phone already does that for you. So I like this real subtle indicator that's not gonna light up the entire bedroom. Now, this is a $69.99 charger. You can get it online from Logitech. You can also get it from a variety of retailers. We'll have some links down in the description below. Although I did have a small issue while charging in a case in the portrait mode, I really find this to be an excellent charger. I really like the look and feel of this. It's a nice soft touch plastic throughout, white design. It comes with a really long, really nice feeling cable that's sturdy. So even if you're going to take this from place to place or from room to room, you're not gonna have to worry about a lot of wear and tear. There's a small cutout along the bottom here, and that's nice because one of the speakers is down here. So if you're on a call, you still get all of that pass through, so you're gonna be able to make a call, hear the person you're talking to, just like you would if you were holding the device, but now you're gonna be charging it as well. There are 4 little non-slip grip bumpers on the bottom that keep it in place on a desk or on a table. And really the only branding is the LOGI from Logitech right in here. And it's nice and subtle, which I like on something that's going to be at a focal point on your desk or in your bedroom. And when you're using it, you're not going to see any of that branding as well. Thanks for checking out this wireless charger from Logitech. You can check out links down in the description below. And if you found this video useful, please give us a like, comment and let us know what your favorite wireless charger is, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.